Importing your data into Rivet. Whether we're talking about workers or jobs, the process is very similar. For this example, we're going to be importing multiple workers. Here we are in our workforce view. In the upper right corner, we have an orange Add Worker button with a drop-down menu giving you the option to add multiple workers, and then download the CSV template. It is important to note, any data you enter into Rivet is editable at a later date. However, in the interest of time and efficiency, it is highly recommended that you double-check your data before uploading it, ensuring that everything made it into the CSV correctly. The application will also scrub your data, so any extraneous characters, such as dashes in a phone number, will be automatically removed before uploading. The titles of the columns in the CSV template are not to be changed. They correspond directly with specific fields in the application, and editing the titles of these columns will result in your data not being uploaded. Once we're satisfied with how the CSV has been filled out, we can upload it, following the steps of creating your workers or adding your jobs. One other thing to remember is every worker in Rivet needs to be assigned a role, and every job in Rivet must have a status attached to it. The title of your roles and the statuses of your jobs are customizable and can be edited in your Manage Organization screen. In this bulk upload or edit window, the checkboxes on the left-hand side allow you to edit more than one worker or job at the same time. If at any point you're going through this workflow and you need help, as always, don't hesitate to reach out through our chat feature or email support@rivet.work. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.